I have a final question for the both of you. What is it that sums up the secret of the partnership's success?
I start? Okay.
If you'd like.
Learning from each other. I mean, as I'm sure you also sensed in the discussion, I mean, Iveco and Nicola are different companies. But I think it's a great fit because we want to stay distinct. But if we learn from each other in a respectful, cooperative way, I think we will be a super, super successful team. And sometimes little things matter, right? I told you that Phoenix is on 6 a.m. in the morning. So 9-hour time difference, just in the daily cooperation, sometimes it's hard, right? Because it's late for you, it's early for us. So if we find things respectfully and learn from each other, I think we will be super, super successful.
Beautiful. Gerrit.
Well, I think we have found a very, joint and common way of thinking. I mean, we had conflicts, a lot of conflicts, and these were very constructive conflicts. And conflicts are good, disagreements are good, because that, forces two parties or more parties to discuss and, advance things to the better. So we have been very, very much aligned in the approach. We were very, very clear that we have to do this in a non-linear way. So get out of this typical sequential corporate thinking that everything takes 48 months. But to force ourselves, can we do this in half the time? And what are the risks we are taking? And what is the, let's say, the trade-offs that we need to have? And there was a lot of, I think there were moments when folks from Nicola were thinking, oh, these corporate guys, right? So they're coming and they're teaching us physics that we just tried to change. And from our side, there was then sometimes these startup guys, right? By the way, I'm dressed like a startup guy, I look like a corporate guy. So. So then it was also on our side that we thought, like, this doesn't work, guys. Physics in Phoenix are the same as the physics and chemistry in Turin. And in the end, we always found a common ground, and it was a very, very fruitful, I sometimes call it slingshot, for us to accelerate our thinking, to get more agile, to challenge the way how things were done. And on the other side, I think there was also an appreciation that there is a reason behind, and there's a certain foundation behind that this piece of metal can last 1 million kilometers. It doesn't fall from the sky. So together we basically appreciated both each other's competences respectfully. And there is still here and there certain conflicts, which is great, because if there's no conflict, that means we don't talk, right? And I think we have been doing this tremendously well among the teams. And this is, if you will, the root cause. Finding a way to disagree and then find ways to solve the problem and come to a joint solution.